if I want to rotate a triangle around a point, what I want to do is I first want to put my gold piece on the center of C, and then I line up a hole through the point I want to move. I'm going to start with E, and I just need to draw an arc. I put the gold piece on C, the hole through C, E. Yeah, then I do a little arc. This is what we were doing yesterday. Yeah. So then I want to draw a line between C and E. Then what do I want to do? So I line it up. I want the crossing point on C, and I want to find 90 degrees. I mark that. Then I draw a line from C through the mark. Yep. Okay. Then I do the same thing for the other letters, so I'm going to put the gold piece on C again, and this time I'm going to do F. Okay. So I did my arc for F. For this problem I do, because if you look, it says 90 degrees, and counterclockwise, in case you forgot, is that way. That's an arrow. It's an ugly looking arrow. Okay. Then I want to connect my line from C to F. Okay. Then I use my protractor. I line up the crossing point and then the line with my line. 90 degrees is right here, so I mark that. And then this time when I do it, when I draw my line, I want it to go through the point, through the mark I made, and I want it to go through the pink circle. Mine's pink. And then I label this one F prime. Something I noticed on your quizzes, lots of you forgot to label with your primes. That was where the most points were lost. It means it's a new image. Okay. So then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna gold piece at C, hole through G. What do you mean? It's for rotating. When someone tells you to rotate, all you need is PE. I have never used. Okay, so then I want to do my 90 degree mark. Same thing like before. I connect all the way to the blue arc on this one. And this one's going to be G prime. Yep. I want to connect them in black so you can see. I think in general this chapter is pretty easy compared to the constructions one. Okay.
Isn't the hardest one that changes in size?
Yeah, dilation. We do that with triangles. No. I think that's not until.
Why is your G further than mine? Yeah, why is your G way further?
It's 90 degrees. Where do I? Yeah, that looks fine. Yeah. Actually, can I write down the steps a little for you? Yeah. Okay. So my steps are to start off with the arc. Let me write these in black so they look nice. So I center at my point. Yeah, arc. It's the little curvy thing. So it's when you draw part of a circle but not the whole thing. Okay. So then the next thing is to connect my point to C. My third step is to draw my angle mark. Oh, they keep calling me too. Then we want to draw a new line through the angle mark and the center. And then my final step is to label my new point. Can I move on to the bottom of this? Or do you still need more time to write down the steps? Okay. We're not done. There's still 2 points down here. I'm really mean. I didn't yell at her. She's asked me like 3 times. Okay. So then, for special cases, on our graph when it's 90, 180, and 270, we will. You need to turn the paper. The opposite direction. and plot the points again. Oh, who's right in front of me? I know. Would you rather have it really small and then you can't see what I'm writing? I know. I know. I know. I mean, 360 stays where it is, so you don't have to.
I don't understand this part.
I'm gonna go through number 1 on the first one to show you what I mean. Can I go in the back, or does anyone, or do people still need this up? Okay.
I'll give you my picture.
So I can move on? Okay, so if I take a look, first thing I want to do is I want to plot the point they tell me. 4, 6. 90 degrees clockwise is going this way. That's not on the screen. So what I meant by what I wrote is I want to turn the paper 90 degrees clockwise. And then I'm going to plot the same point again. So I did 4, 6. So I'm going to go. Did I do 4, 5?
So it only just be negative 4. I mean positive 4, negative 6.
No. Because look, I rotated it, and now it's negative. No. If I look back at it normally, it's 6, negative 4.
Oh, you're right.
So you understood the first point, though, right? You didn't understand plotting the first point? No, you really don't understand how to plot points? Okay. So then what I did was I rotated the paper because it told me 90 degrees. Jesus. It tells me to do 90 degrees clockwise. So I turn the paper 90 degrees clockwise. And then I pretend like this one's not here. I go 4 over and then 6 up and plot the point again. And then it's my new point. You can use circles if it really confuses you still. It's just a trick. Like what we did on the front. Okay, any other questions here? That's it.